Hello, my name is Nelson Carolina Martinez, and my tutor name is Michelle Rene Funes. Today I am going to talk about my childhood memories. When I was a child, used to be happy and very mischievous girl. I used to watch Tom and Jerry, and it was my favorite cartoons. My favorite activities. I used to play with dolls with my cousin, and we had a lot of fun together. I also used to ride a bike a lot because I really enjoy it. Learning to riding a bike. I did not use it to have my one bike because my parents cloned by one for me. So I learned to ride on my grandfather's adult bike. School and my siblings. I used to fight with my siblings because they taught me a lot. I used to be a district student, but I was also very responsible with my schoolwork. My pet Peggy. We used to have a little pig named Peggy, and my singles and I adopted him as our pet. There are some my favorite childhood memories. Food and family time. Used to love eat chicken with fried green bananas. I was one of my favorite foods. My parents, my sibling, used to go to the river and spend time together. Thank you for listening.